Hi, Dr. Ramp here. Today I wanted to go over a couple of more advanced wrist stretches. These can be really helpful if you're sitting on a computer all day doing a lot of typing. The wrists tend to get really tight. So here's a couple things you can do to improve the mobility in your wrists. You're going to start on all fours. Make sure you're in a nice square position, and then you're just going to rock back and forth a little bit. And you can see how you get a little motion in the wrists there, just to the point of your comfort. And then you're going to flip your hands over and do the same. Good. And rotate your wrists in this way. Couple finger open and close. Just to get some more mobility through those wrists. Another one you can do that's really easy, you can even do at your desk. Place your fingers together, and then you're just rolling your wrists around. Again, to the point of your comfort level. Don't push yourself into pain, but just increase the mobility as best you can. And again, if you have any questions or your wrists are continuing to bother you, come see us at Revive.